Welcome to DelftStack. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the failed to sync world data error in Minecraft. This error usually happens when your world data cannot properly sync between your devices, your account, or the server because of connection or login issues. First, restart Minecraft and try loading the world again because many sync issues are only temporary. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable since world data needs a reliable connection to sync properly. After that, sign out of your account and sign back in again to refresh your account synchronization. Now completely close Minecraft and reopen it to fully reset the session. If the issue continues, try loading a different world first, then go back to your original world to refresh corrupted sync data. Also, make sure Minecraft is updated to the latest version because outdated versions can fail to sync world data correctly. In most cases, this is caused by an account or connection issue, and restarting the game plus relogging usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft failed to sync world data error by restarting the game, checking your internet connection, relogging into your Microsoft account, and updating Minecraft. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.